Hi there, bosses! Gusto mo bang malaman how I was able to sell almost 98% of my stuff, including yung mga brand new winning products ko sa Fiji Islands, kung saan meron lang itong 900,000 population in a very limited period of time. My last 4 days, okay, to stay on the island dahil rush yung naging movement namin. No? We have to leave the island, evacuate, and move to Zambia soon. Pero alam mo ba, na hindi ko ginamitan ng ads, yung pagpapatakbo ko ng campaign, and at the same time, paano ko nagawa makaabot hanggang mahigit 4,000 people, targeted people, na may kakayanang bumili, na merong Australian and New Zealand background, kasi sila yung may mga pera. Okay? So, paano natin nagawa yun, by just using organic traffic. In this video, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung full documentation na ginawa ko, from copywriting, how I created the title, the hook, okay? And then at the same time, how I was able to create virality, and paano ko nagawang i-overcome yung mga challenges, such as people who were reposting my post, yung mga scammers na nakiride on actually. And then at the same time, paano ko nagawang ma-mark up kahit na rush na talaga na 4 days na lang yung natitira, nabenta ko lahat ng gamit. Actually, 2 item lang yung natira, yung wifi router namin, saka yung yoga mat. Ganun kabilis na ubos lahat ng gamit namin for the last 1 year, plus lahat ng mga e-commerce winning items ko na nabebenta ko sa Fiji. And paano ko pa nagawang mark up to 400% yung mga natitirang items, because I knew the value, which made us hoard a lot of money. Actually, ang dami nating cash na Fijian money, na dinala natin papunta dito sa Bali. So, I was super excited, kaya ang ginawa ko, dinocument ko lahat ng journey na ito, para kung ano man yung offer na binibenta mo online, and wala ka pang kakayanan, para mag-run ng ads, at hindi mo alam kung paano mo magagawang i-post yan, ano yung sasabihin mo, ano yung hook, ano yung storytelling mo, and natatakot kang mag-close ng sale, mag-entertain ng tao. This full journey of my last 1 week in Fiji Islands, while packing, alam niyo yun, while selling the stuff, while posting everything, nagawa ko pang ma-document lahat-lahat, because I care for you so much, guys. And we are doing social selling, right? And I am inviting a lot of entrepreneurs like me, na matutunan kung paano nila magagawa yung free traffic, and mamaster nila yung power ng Facebook group and Facebook marketplace, para magawa nyo mabenta yung mga services nyo, offer nyo, and products nyo. So, enjoy the video up to the end, and I hope marami kang matutunan. See you inside.
Hi bosses! It's official! We are leaving Fiji soon!
Hi bosses! Good morning! Today is such a busy day, and dahilan dyan ay dahil maglilipat na kami ulit ng bahay. Maghahakot ulit. So, pinagsabay-sabay ko yung mga dapat gawin. And by the way, I am doing a lot of videos and reels kasi pinagsisikapan ko na makuha yung monetization din sa reels ngayon. Nagbebenta kami ng mga gamit ngayon namin dito. So, mapapansin mo, sobrang kalat talaga ng bahay. And my job is to sell everything, okay, na mga hindi namin kailangan pabalik ng Pilipinas. So, ito yung ilan sa mga stuff na binebenta ko ngayon. Most of the things na hindi ko na kailangan, I have to let them go. Dadalhin ko na lang talaga. I really want to live minimalist life nowadays, kung ano na lang talaga yung gamit na kailangan ko, yun na lang yung ginagamit ko. Lots of things have to go. Ito mga beach bench na yan, never namin nagamit kahit isang beses. At dahil sa beach bench na yan, guys, na-discover ko na saleable pala siya sa island na yun, kung saan umabot pa ng 300 plus yung new orders namin, at hindi lang yung mga Mickey Mouse t-shirt, galing Australia yung binibenta ko, at saka yung mga cosmetic regimen para sa mga Indian, Fijian women, nadagdagan siya ngayon ng winning products, just because meron kaming 2 brand new beach bench, na hindi nagagamit, and dahil sa garage sale, dinagdag namin siya doon, and then after that, nalaman ko na ang dami pala may kailangan nun. Kaya, ang dami nating additional order para doon. Para sa item na yon. And mga libro na hindi naman nabasa. Actually, dito sa Fiji, may mga libro kagaya nito na halos hindi ko natapos basahin. So, makikita mo yung marker, no? Life in Fiji. It's a pity kasi dapat mas maganda sana kung binasa ko to, habang nandito ako. Pero mas nag-focus ako sa mga marketing books, kagaya nito. Ayan. Okay guys, so, customer tayo ngayon. May bumili ng bag. Benta na to. This is sold. And then, this one also. So, kailangan lang natin ito And this leather skirt, hindi ko na rin siya kailangan. Sanay ako guys, puro pajama lang talaga ako. Kasi home-based business, diba? Puro pajama lang talaga. So, goodbye leather skirt. Nabibili. Here it is. Thank you.
I just check.
Yeah, just check if that's the right one. Complete? Going to Africa soon.
Oh, okay.
But we have to head to the Philippines first. That's my country. Enough baggage allowance for Fiji Airways. So I sold so many of my old stuff I don't need.
You.
Ah, yeah? She's like
you.
same body build. Okay, good. Maybe she look at me first before she bought my things. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, we made some money. Hey guys, kota na tayo ngayon, kumita na tayo. So, pwede na tayo mag-almusal. Habang nag-aaral ako guys, nagbi-business tayo. So, kailangan ninonote natin yung mga kita natin dyan, diba? So, eto na yung note natin. Okay, mga activities ko yan. Let's see. Sold items in Suba. So, kahapon may bumili ng blender, $40. Tapos ngayon naman, $50. Which is, ayan. No, blender. Tapos, susunod is sweater, tapos bag, tapos skirt. So, kain muna tayo guys kasi nakakapagod din yung ganitong buhay. Even these plants, kailangan natin ibenta. Let's go! Yung kamatis na yan ay nanggaling dito sa mga kamatis na to. Ayun o. Kamatis. So, good morning there, bosses. So, alam niyo ba na isa sa downside ng pagbebenta online is yung pagkakaroon ng mga scammers online na nakikiride on sa mga legit na online sellers. Kaya, bilang isang business coach, isa na rin yan sa mga na-experience ko many times. Okay? Na kung saan, number one, ida-download nila yung profile picture mo, tapos gagawa sila ng sarili nilang account, i-repost nila yung mga post mo, etc. Okay? Another thing is that, pwedeng ikumpara ka pa ng ibang mga clients, sa ibang let's say, influencer or ibang coaches, ibang gurus, no? So, kung hindi mo talaga alam kung paano i-establish yung authority and brand mo, mahihirapan ka talaga na ma-win yung trust and ng mga audiences mo. Isa na nga sa nangyari sa akin while selling all of my stuff in Fiji with over 900,000 people only sa loob ng islands. Wherein nakapag-accumulate tayo ng over 3,000 interested prospects via messenger, in just 4 days. Talaga namang nag-viral yung mga post natin. Pero ang nangyari din, alam nyo guys, nag-viral din ako. Okay, sa Fiji Islands, na napakaliit na isla, okay? Actually, pagdating ko sa airport, may mga tao nagtatanong sa akin, are you still selling your stuff? Yung mga ganyan. Hinahabol pa nila ako. Nasa Nandi na ako, may tumatawag pa rin, may bumibili pa rin. To that point, to the point na hindi na ako nakapag-impake ng gamit ko. Actually, ngayon nasa Bali na ako, pero sobrang pagod pa rin ako. But here's the behind the scene of what happened. I'll show you. Dahil merong mga Fijians, local Fijians na concerned citizen na nagsabi sa akin na, hey, someone is reposting your post. Someone is, alam mo yun, yung binibenta din nila yung gamit ko. And through this, ang dami ko talaga natutunan how social selling really works in Facebook Market and on Facebook group. So, here is the behind the scene of what happened next and how I was able to solve it.
Yeah.
And then sending them here.
Sending
and
them.
then you're the one.
And then they come to you and then say, where's the money? And they'll ask, I've already sent you the money.
No, I'm not collecting any money. I just wait for people to
Yeah,
come in the
better that
house.
way.
You can take it to
No, but they are using your stuff for sale. See?
I know that, but
That's why
the police, because it's not her name.
That's why I was so surprised. I was thinking, how can this person be two different pages?
Okay.
No.
Something.
Strap, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, this is. Yeah.
Ah, see?
Yes, sorry.
Oh,
This
we
is
can use that.
just connect it. Yeah, please. You
Okay.
can do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
That's
For
for
the
goggles. That's a freebie.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is 40. I cannot drop the price with this one because this
Wala,
is
wala, okay, Masi.
an expensive bag.
I'll take this too. Yeah. No, but you do
Okay.
bring your...
So, immediately after ko malaman yon, the next step na ginawa ko is to shoot a video. Okay, immediately as in talagang, hello, Bola people, this is Princess Wylene and I am the one who's selling online. Ganyan, English ang lola mo. So, ang ginawa ko, no, I told them that I am not collecting payment online. I only collect cash whenever they come at home. Okay, and we don't deliver, etc. So, ang nangyari noon, I think makikita nyo dito sa Facebook ko that over 600 recently nakita ko nakapag-view ng videos ko, and there are some people calling me scammer, ginaganyan nila ako dun sa ano. And then I told them, hey, that wasn't me, I'm the real person and I am legit, ganyan. So I told those people na bumibili sa akin, na please message people whenever you see the groups, in the groups that they're saying scammers, tell them that I'm legit and everything. So, nag-testify naman sila. So, napakahalaga, bilang mga business owner na marunong ka agad mag-solve ng solution, mag-take action, and then yung mga customers mo, saka yung mga super fans mo, turuan mo sila, kung paano nila magagawang ipagtanggol ka minsan, yung mga ganun. Tapos yung, kumbaga yung to be on your side and prove na they are happy customers, So, magkaroon ng immediate wildfire ng word of the mouth marketing. So, ganun agad yung ginawa ko, and you will see on my Facebook post, na in-scatter ko yun. Ginamitan ko siya ng virality nung content na yun pagdating sa pagbebenta. And two things na natutunan ko, guys, when it comes to virality with social selling, selling products is very much different to creating virality with contents na entertainment. Okay, wag kayo mako-confuse doon. Pag nasa business tayo, guys, ang ultimate goal natin is benta. Okay, kumita, virality na maraming tao makakita ng post mo na bibili sa'yo. Hindi yung virality na maraming makakita ng content mo, natatawa, mai-entertain, magla-like, at saka mag-join. Hindi tayo ganun, okay? So, we're on business, okay? We're not into entertainment, and we're not into collecting stars, monetization and reels. Part lang yon ng umbrella ng business natin. But, what I'm telling you here, because we are influencer CEO, okay, ang kailangan nating makuhang goal talaga is benta. Okay, so iba yung tinuturo ko, when it comes to social selling, virality ng marami kang kitain, di ba? Kaysa sa marami ka lang likes and shares. So, this is exactly what I did, and it worked. So cute! Nabili na nila yung bench chair. Oh, so cute. Nakakatuwa, parang na-enjoy ko magbenta-benta ngayon, guys. Nagbenta-benta ng mga gamit, e-commerce. Diba? Sobrang ang dami kong umabot ng 800 plus yung inquiry ko sa mga binibentang gamit. Wapak, halos sasabog na yung chat. It's raining. And we have a customer coming. There. Where are you from, ma'am?
I live down the road.
Down the road. Oh, that's good. It's close. Okay. We have customer coming. Please come in. Hello. Okay, come in, please. Your mother is inside. Hi. Oh, what happened? Is he crying? Oh no. It's your fault. Hello. I like it. Oh.
Okay, sorry.
My mom, she really likes to see.
I thought he wasn't gonna come. I didn't know from the back.
It's okay. Just sit, okay? And I will show you around. I will show everything. My mom, she really likes to see the different... Hello. These are the Fijian people.
Yes, these are the Fijian.
So cute.
These are the Fijian children.
These are the Fijian kids. So cute. Okay. They're buying stuff from my house. So, hello. Customer. Okay. We're selling our stuff because we're leaving soon. We're leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Ito yung mga vlogging tours natin. And naging part ng career ko. Mga camera. Unfortunately, mabigat to. Kailangan natin dayain. So, yung mga books, marketing books, hindi ko to natapos sa Fiji. Kasi ang hirap magbasa ng mga history books. So, hilig ko rin kasi sa history. Mas masarap sana basahin to habang nasa Fiji ako. Kaya lang never nagkaroon ng chance. That's my husband's book. So, ang focus ko yung mga ganito. Ayan. Okay, so, yan. Ito, sana babasahin ko, no? Actually, natapos ko pala to. Ito lang, Life in Fiji. Mas masarap yung feeling kasi basahin yung isang libro pag nandun ka talaga sa bansa na yun, diba? Learn a little bit of Fijian language. Yeah, we have to pack. We have flight tomorrow. Thank you, Vinaka. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Please take... Oh. Okay, thank you. Those are my customers. This and that. Bamboo straws. So these are all just $3. Okay, $3 each. 5. And this is just 3. And we have vlogging gear, so I don't really need that. That's I use for business. But I have small little things of clothes here and accessories for $3 each. And clothes for large size clothes, and some other are just small for kids. Sweater $10, $10 dress, $10. Nice leggings, $10 in fit. I think for Fijian size in fit kids, $10 office clothes, 20 nice office clothes, which was 20. We have a jacket here, 20 XL. Okay, so 7.5 shoes. We also have this for vlogging and the Christmas tree. Yay!
It's like we just came back from the
happy.
again.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Okay, can he carry it? It's okay, I'll help you. Yeah, $20. One way or two ways?
Coming and going back.
Ah, okay, that's good. That's reasonable. Filming it because my mom, she really likes seeing the Fijian people. Welcome, guys. Bye-bye. Yay! Everybody's happy. Bye. Bye-bye. Can we have a... Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you, Jojo. Nice to meet you.
Bless the trip, Auntie Princess. Bye.
Bye. Hopefully, I will come back. Yeah. I will visit your village when I come back.
We'll miss you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah, you supported me well with my things. Almost sold out natin sa garage sale natin. Ranging about 1,500 Fijian dollars. Hi bosses! Welcome to Fiji Islands. We are still here. At kung gusto mo malaman kung paano mo magagawang kumita ng offer mo na sa Facebook group, wala na, talagang na-nailed out natin yan, no? Kung paano natin nagawang mabenta lahat ng gamit natin sa Suba, kung saan tumira ako ng 1 year. And sa sobrang dami ng mga gamit ko doon, no? Mga iba't ibang mga vlogging materials, mga halaman namin, furnitures, kung ano-ano, mga kaldero, mga kawali. Kung gusto matutunan how to actually post your offer sa Facebook Marketplace and mag-cross-posting siya sa lahat ng mga groups para ma-experience mo yung ganitong klaseng experience na halos sobrang daming mga tao yung nagko-comment, gustong bumili ng items mo, etc. Ituturo natin yan sa loob ng Social Selling Mastermind. Pero for the meantime, I am going to catch my flight tomorrow to Bali. At nandito ako ngayon sa Nandi. Okay naman ang buhay. Okay, kahit na medyo relax ang panahon ngayon, wala pa rin akong karapatang mag-relax kasi tignan mo naman kung gaano kakalat yan. Ito na lang ang natira, personal, gamit ko na lang ang natira. Pero halos lahat ng 1 year na ginawa ko, na pagtira sa Fiji, nabenta natin lahat ng gamit. So far, na-monetize natin siya and we earned 3,000, 3,200, 40, 50, 60, 70, 87. 3,287 Fijian dollars. So, kumbaga, hindi na masama, diba? Kasi actually, guys, dahil napakalayo nitong isla na to, yung mga gamit na hindi nila nabibili sa isla, diba, yun, halos yung iba na doble na triple ko pa yung presyo, kagaya ng mga gadgets, okay? So, maliliit na mga vlogging materials lang yun. Actually, nabili ko lang siya sa Amazon ng sa Lazada ng mga ganun. Yung mga ganun price. Tapos yung markup ko halos yung iba 200, 300, 400%. Kaya nakakita ako ng business opportunity niya. So, may mga nakita ako mga products na saleable talaga. So, isa rin sa mga gusto kong pasukin na business actually, pag-i-e-commerce. Mahirap lang din talaga mag-travel pag puro cash yung dala mo. Actually, mas madali ng card ngayon di ba? Pero papapalit natin to bago magsara yung bank kasi hindi natin ito mapapapalit sa Pilipinas. At ang lola mo talaga, yung belt bag ko, punong-puno ng panukli. Daming barya, ganyan. So, just to say, successful ang challenge natin to sell all of the things na meron tayo sa Suva, at nabenta natin siya sa maiksing panahon. Actually, 4 na araw lang. Okay? And umabot sa mahigit 800 people yung nag-chat on the first day and umabot din ng additional 400 people yung nag-chat on the second day and third day. Sobrang hindi ko na ma-accumulate talaga yung flow at dami ng tao na nag-i-inquire. And how I wish yung mga product na yun, ang dami ko rito. Siguro ang dami ko nabenta, di ba? So, social selling is very simple, guys. Sometimes, kailangan mo lang makapture din talaga yung attention ng mga tao. So, yung title ng garage sale ko was Moving Expat Rush Sale. Okay? So, dahil gusto nila yung mga expat, quality mga product, tapos rush sale, papunta kami ng Zambia, attractive na hook na capture natin yung attention ng mga tao. Okay, and then merong konting storytelling. Bakit mo binebenta yung product? 'Di ba? Bakit mo binebenta yung mga gamit mo? Ano ba yung quality niyan? Sulit ba sila doon, hindi porkit nag-markup ako, ibig sabihin, ang laki ng tinubo ko. Actually, mahal ang pagpasok ng shipping dito, 'di ba? So nakikita ng mga Fijian, okay, bibilin ko to, kasi mahirapan din ako sa shipping pag bumili ako sa Amazon. Saka wala nito sa isla. Yan, yung mga ganun. So, hindi porkit mura yung product mo. Diba? Nabili mo lang siya ng 250 pesos sa Pilipinas. Tapos, bebenta mo lang siya ng kalahati, 125. Kasi iniisip mo, nagamit mo na. No, ang ginawa ko, actually guys, may mga tools ako na 250 pesos. Nabenta ko ng 2.5. As in, 2.5, diba? So, 100 Fiji dollar yun. So, sabi ko, sige, 100 Fiji dollar na lang. Mga tools ko na ginagamit dito. So, achieve guys, successful ang challenge natin. So, ang dami kong gusto ituro sa Social Selling Mastermind. And of course, upcoming na yan, how to post your content, how to capture the attention, how to cross-posting, nang hindi ka nagbabayad ng ads. So, sobrang excited ako dyan. Pero for the meantime, guys, we have to ligpit na, diba? Kasi ang gulo ng gamit ko. And even though I am enjoying the view dito sa Fiji Islands, yung ngayon sobrang busy pa rin, Actually, I have to book all of my flight this Christmas dahil you will see me in Bali for less than a week, and then I'll be in the Philippines for 2 weeks, and then I'll be in Bangkok for 1 week, and then I'll be in Laos for 2 weeks, and then I'll be back in the Philippines for another week, and then I'm flying to Zambia. So, sobrang daming mga kailangan gawin, and as the day goes by, natututunan ko rin yung mga, paano nga ba nagwo-work, yung pagbebenta online, depende sa kultura ng mga taong nakatira ron. Okay? Hindi porkit mura yung mga bagay, ibig sabihin, mura mo na lang din sila ibebenta. Kung sobrang scarce and tawag dito, may scarcity, no, yung product na yon, dapat alam mo rin paano mag-markup. And then, syempre, no, hindi lang to basta-basta post dito, post doon, no. Ituturo ko sa inyo, no, paano ko nagagawa na hindi lang sa pag-hook, pagsulat ng story, no, doon sa description, paano mag-cross-posting, paano makuha yung attention ng mga tao. As a business entrepreneur, kailangan marunong ka maglagay ng margin doon sa product mo. And study the culture. How do you say the right words, to capture the attention of the people? And then at the same time, paano mo magagawang ma-social sell yung yung expertise mo, yung service mo or yung product mo on social media, nang hindi mo muna kailangan gumamit ng ads. Okay, na hindi mo kailangan gumamit ng as in talagang messenger lang, no? Tapos how to close the sale through messenger, how you can entice them to come to your house, na masaya silang aalis, masaya silang, alam mo yun, they're happy. So guys, that's the result of our garage sale dito. And it's not easy kasi kapag alam mo yun, yung hectic na yung schedule mo, tapos ang dami mong ginagawa, nag-impake ka ng buong bahay mo, tapos pupunta yung mga tao, bibilin yung item mo, siyempre yung sales stock mo doon, diba? Tapos paano mo magagawang, alam mo, may iba kasing tao na takot sila mag-sales stock, takot silang kumausap ng tao, pero pagka alam mo talaga yung kampante ka sa sarili mo, kahit na ang taas ng markup ko, diba? Nabenta ko siya ng 2.5 kahit 250 ko lang siya nabili sa Lazada, diba? Nabenta ko pa siya ng 2.5. Parang hindi ka nangingimi na mag-charge ng ganun kalaki kasi alam mo yung value and hindi ka takot mag-close ng sale. So, those skills actually na-develop naman siya over time. Diba? Kailangan mo lang talaga magkaroon ng confidence and you know how to deal with people. You know how to talk to them. You know what to say, and then in that way mas magkakaroon ka ng confidence to actually lead them to the buying decision. So kung gusto mo matuto ng mga ganyang strategies, sali ka lang sa Social Selling Mastermind group community natin. All you need to do so invite your friends, yung mga fellow entrepreneurs mo na gawin yung mga bagay na yan, and then we can guide you dahil magsisimula na yung training natin. The moment na matapos ka lang talaga lahat na to, when I get to Bali, you are my priority, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, the tip is to learn how to post, okay, with the hook, attention, story, okay, and be confident when it comes to closing the sale. Have a great day, guys. This is Princess Mylene from Pinay Boss Academy, and I can't wait to see your more values that we will share and post here in the next time. Bye!
No one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise. Nobody's coming to tell you to apply for that job that you've always dreamt about. Nobody's coming to write the business plan for you. It's up to you.
Bye, bosses! I hope you learned a lot!